If you've always wanted to start a digital business but never knew where to begin, I've created a shortcut for you. I spent months building a digital product business bundle with 5 ready-to-sell, fully editable Google Sheets templates you can rebrand, customize, and resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each template in the bundle comes in different color options and includes simple video and PDF guides to help you and your customers set everything up smoothly. But I didn't just leave it at that. Here's everything else you're getting. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. Digital product creation takes work, which is why this bundle lets you skip the setup and go straight to selling. Now let's talk money. If you charge $10 to $15 per tracker or offer a bundled set for $30 to $70, it'll only take 3 to 5 sales to earn back your initial investment, and every sale after that is straight profit and 100% yours. Since it's a fully digital business, you only need to upload the files once and the templates can sell thousands of times on autopilot while you focus on other things. Now here's the thing. To keep the market from getting crowded, I'll only be releasing this bundle in limited batches. Once a batch sells out, I'll close it for a while, not to create scarcity, but to give early buyers breathing room before the next wave enters. So if you're seeing this right now, you haven't missed your shot yet. Click the link in my bio to grab your bundle before this batch sells out, or just type early in the comments and I'll send it to you directly.